with temperatures heading back up and the possibility of us tying record heat numbers again, we want to bring in Freddy right now to talk heat records and if we've been hitting those more than the cold records.
It feels weird because every time we talk, we've been talking about, oh, we could hit another heat record. But when's the last time I said cold record?
It's been a while.
It's been a while. It's been a while. So let's go and take a look at some of these numbers. More heat records than cold records. This is from the Climate Central. They took an analysis from 2020, January 2020, all the way to November 2024. And what they did was they used daily highs and lows, and they actually did it with 247 different locations around the United States. Now, when they looked at all of those and they gathered the data and they looked at the records that were coming in, 88% of those locations, that means 217, actually had more heat records than they did cold records. And you have to remember, that doesn't just happen in the summer. We talked about it in October. We talked about it in November. We even talked about it in December, if you remember. And so here's a look at the different records set by decades. And you're able to see the increase in the high record temperatures compared to the low record temperatures. In fact, the record low temperatures actually started to decrease as we went on throughout the past, 20 years, 30 years, compared to farther up towards the north. So a big change from 1890 all the way to now, and we've had that upward trend overall. Some cities even had no cold records whatsoever. Tampa was one of the locations, 114 heat records, but no cold records whatsoever. Phoenix, 110 heat records to no cold records. The same with Miami, 102 to 0. And in San Juan, we looked at 84, and Reno, 68, compared to 0 cold records. So one of the reasons why urban heat islands, we've talked about that here in Austin, as we start to see more buildings being built, as we see more roads being built, we're taking away all that natural land, and so it's harder for a lot of that to see the temperatures fluctuate. It's just hot. It just holds in all the heat. An increase, concerns is that we've had an increase in a 2-to-1 ratio, and of course, heat is the #1 killer in the United States. Speaking of that, we're looking at different records over the next couple of days and what we can expect. By the way, if you want more details on this and so much more, you can actually go to our website, kxan.com. There's actually an article on there that you can go through and actually see. It's a really good article that Rich Siegel wrote up that shows the different records for heat, more heat than cold records, and it's detailed item by item. You have to check it out. It's a really interesting article. Just look it up, records, heat, cold records, and you'll be able to pull that up. But I want to talk about what our records are for the next couple of days, because that's going to be interesting and key in what we're going to be watching. And I highlighted a couple of them, but we need to watch. Saturday, 83 is the record for that day, the heat record. That was set back in 2016. Sunday, the record is 82, and on Monday, the record is 83. So these three are going to be the most important ones that I want you to keep a hold on and keep an eye on because of where we're expected to go over Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. 83, 82, 83. Remember those numbers. All right, let's talk about current winds right now. We've seen some wind gusts picking up past 25 miles per hour, especially as you get out towards the hill country, moving out towards Burnett, Marble Falls, and out towards Austin. It's been a pretty breezy day outside, but now clear conditions as we've seen most of the activity move out towards the east. As we mentioned a little while ago, we were watching some of those tornado warnings as they were flowing in. So the front came in, that really picked up mostly out towards I-35 and farther out towards the east. These are some of our numbers that were brought in by radar. So these are radar estimates. And you can see who got the most amount of rainfall based off of the radar estimates. Almost half an inch of rain as you get closer out towards the airport. Rockdale, close to an inch of rain. LaGrange, out towards the east of LaGrange, radar estimates are showing 2 inches that have been popping up out there. We look at clouds and radar at this time. We've been talking about some of those tornado warnings out towards Houston. That's something we got to continue to watch as that front comes in. But look at all of those thunderstorms that are popping up. Current temperatures right now, 71 in Mason, 72 in Fredericksburg, 76 in Dripping Springs, Bastrop at 75, LaGrange at 74. Play this out over the next couple of hours into tomorrow. You may see a few more clouds, and that's pretty much it. I'm expecting for mostly sunny skies, especially as we get out towards Friday and into Saturday. No real big changes here. What we are going to watch is 2 different things. What's going to happen as we go from Saturday into Sunday, because we do have another front, but ahead of the front, some very hot conditions. And then as we go from Monday into Tuesday, because there's another front. And then in fact, there's another front from Tuesday into Wednesday. And so we're going to start seeing this slowly declining temperature trend over the next couple of days based off of those fronts. Our travel forecast, 84 for Friday in Rio Grande Valley, 84 for Saturday, and 83 for Sunday. Look at Houston. They've been dealing with all those showers. Showers will subside, but look at what happens Saturday. As we get heat, they're going to get rainfall for Saturday itself. If you're going to head out towards Dallas, temperatures there should move back into the 70s on Saturday and Sunday. Move up into the 70s. And then we get out to El Paso, and we're in the 60s there. So let's put it all together. Let's talk about the temperatures that we're expected to hit as the front comes in. There's your first drop. Saturday into Sunday. There's your second drop. Monday into Tuesday, and your third drop Tuesday into Wednesday as our temperatures go into the low 60s.
All right.